Do you ever feel like you have so many things to do, but don't know where to start? Maybe you've got homework, chores, and fun activities, but it all feels too much.
Hi, I'm Alexa, and today we're going to talk about the principles of management. Understanding these can help you get organized and make your life a lot easier.
Principles of management are like secret tools that help us get things done efficiently. There are 7 key principles we're going to talk about: planning, organizing, leading, controlling, staffing, coordinating, and decision-making. The first principle is planning. This means setting goals and figuring out the best way to achieve them. Imagine you have a big homework assignment. Planning would mean deciding what you need to do, when you'll do it, and how you'll get it done. Next is organizing. This is about arranging resources in a structured way. For example, organizing your desk with all the things you need for your homework. When everything is in the right place, it's easier to get started and stay focused. Leading is all about motivating and guiding others to achieve goals. Think about being the team captain for a group project. You encourage your friends, help them understand their tasks, and make sure everyone works together. Controlling means keeping an eye on progress and making sure everything is going as planned. For instance, checking off each homework task as you finish it. If something isn't working, you can make changes to stay on track. Staffing involves getting the right people to help with tasks. If you have a big project, you might need to ask for help from friends or family. This makes sure you have the right support to get everything done. Coordinating means making sure everyone is working together smoothly. In a group project, this means making sure everyone knows their role and works together to achieve the final goal. Decision-making is about choosing the best action from different options. It requires thinking about the pros and cons. For example, deciding whether to do homework now and play later, or the other way around. Managers use these principles to help their teams reach goals. They plan, organize, lead, control, staff, coordinate, and make decisions to ensure everything runs smoothly. Just like you can use these principles to manage your tasks and make your life easier. The key functions of management are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These are the main jobs managers do to keep everything running smoothly. Leadership is about inspiring and motivating people, like a team captain cheering everyone on. Management is more about organizing and making sure everything is going as planned, like a coach setting up the strategy. Managers use planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to help their team reach goals. They make plans, set up resources, guide the team, and check to make sure everything is on track. Using these principles, managers can make sure everyone knows what to do and how to do it. This helps the team work better and get more done in less time, making everything run smoother.
Remember, planning, organizing, leading, controlling, staffing, coordinating, and decision-making can transform chaos into calm. Whether it's tackling homework, leading a group project, or just managing your daily to-dos, these tools empower you to work smarter, not harder. The next time life feels overwhelming, take a deep breath, pick one of these principles, and put it into practice. You'll be amazed at how much easier everything becomes when you manage it step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to make your life simpler and more organized. Thanks for watching.